Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Abimbola Ruthie, and today I'm going to be doing the natural makeup look. It's super easy and it can be worn anywhere. So in case you want to see this makeup look I'm talking about, keep watching this video. So you should start with brushing your brow hairs upwards with a hair wax or edge control as you like it. Then going with a powder to mattify your brows and an eyebrow pencil just to outline the lower part of your brows. And I use the Davis number 3 eye pen too, and do the same on the upper part of your brows. Just outline them, then fill them in with hair-like strokes. Then brush them upwards with a spoolie brush. And next you go into a concealer. You can use a cream concealer or water-based concealer, that's a liquid concealer, and just highlight the bottom part of your brows. Then as you're highlighting, blend also. Then go over to your eyelids and put a little concealer there just to brighten up your eyelids. And set it with a translucent powder. Then go over with wipes and clean your face. Now moisturizer, just to moisturize your face and keep it good looking. Then go over with a primer. Then you go through the same concealer, or you can use a darker shade just to brighten under your eyes. Then you set it with a setting powder, either translucent or banana, and then go over with your foundation, just a very little amount because this is a natural makeup look. Use a flat foundation brush to spread it evenly before you start blending it with a foundation brush or whatever you have, stapling brush. Then go over with concealer in the place you want to highlight your forehead, the upper part of your lip and your chin, maybe your nose if you wish. You blend that in. Then you go with a beauty sponge, you just blend everything together. Then for your nose, you use a dark powder, or you use a contour, a cream contour, a powder contour, just to make your nose appear smaller. Then you also spread that powder to your eyelids. Then next, go back to blush and apply that on your cheeks, the highest part of your cheeks, and blend it. Then you go over with a dark powder for your forehead, the sides of your face and your cheekbone. And next you go over and line your lips with a brow pencil, and you put a nudie shade of lipstick at the center of your lips. Then go over with your lip gloss. Then setting spray to keep your makeup in place. Then you can go ahead and apply mascara to top and bottom lashes. Then you go ahead to highlight your cheekbones, your forehead, your brow bone, and your nose as well. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you really enjoyed this video and enjoyed me creating this look. In case you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell as well, so that you get to be the very first person to see my videos whenever I post. So till then, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.